You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this perfume. Acqua, meaning water in Italian. Acqua di Gio. Acqua di Gio. It's easy, really super easy. There's more videos coming for you to learn more beauty products. Acqua di Gio, at least this one you know. More videos for you here indeed to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.